Guys, let me tell you about this game changer. The Easy Off Jar Opener is like magic for opening jars. Even the tightest lids are no match for this beast. Seriously, if you know someone struggling with jars, gift this. It's perfect for seniors or anyone with weak hands. Say goodbye to jar frustration and hello to easy access. And check this out. It mounts under your cabinet. Saves so much counter space, it's always within reach. That double-sided adhesive is a lifesaver. The grip is non-slip, so you know it's gonna hold strong. Requires so little strength, but gives you all the security. No more fumbling with jars, okay? Trust me, this is the essential kitchen gadget you need. It's perfect for kids, seniors, and anyone needing a boost. Don't wait. Go grab yours now and say yes to easy opening. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to upgrade my kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.